Lawyer SEO. Should lawyers do SEO? Is it worth your money or your time to do SEO if you're a lawyer? Hi, Legal Funnel family. Hope you're doing amazing. All right, first of all, if you are a lawyer and you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, go ahead and take this moment and click subscribe right below. All right, so today we're talking about lawyer SEO, whether you should do SEO or not. This is a very hot topic and very controversial. I'm on the side of the boat where I feel like most lawyers, 90% of lawyers, should not do SEO. So you should really contemplate, if you are currently doing an SEO, you should really contemplate and really decide for yourself and evaluate for yourself whether you should continue doing SEO and what the results of what you've done so far has been. So in this video, I'm about to go and share with you a video that I made a couple months ago, which gives you a good idea of how to evaluate whether your SEO is working or not. So this is useful if you are currently with an SEO company, or in the past you used an SEO company, or if you're contemplating doing SEO. This video will show you exactly what tool you can use to be able to do that. The tool is called SEMrush, which is a paid tool that a lot of marketers use to kind of evaluate how your SEO, how your rankings, and basically how your website's SEO is. And it will help you kind of evaluate to kind of see whether you've got good results from doing SEO. If you don't have access, you'll see from the video how I do this. But if you need access, or if you need the report for a SEMrush report to be done for your website, what I suggest is going on Fiverr, fiverr.com, put in SEMrush, and then you're able to sign up for very low flat rate. It kind of costs like $10-20 to get an SEMrush report done for you. And from that report, you'll be able to evaluate whether you should do SEO or not. Okay, so let's go to the video. And if you also if you get value from this video, just please give this video a like. All right, let's go to the video. All right, so today we're going to talk about how to evaluate your website's SEO, whether your website is working or not. So I posted about SEO earlier this week, whether you should do it or not. You should probably watch this video, go to our Facebook group, and search for SEO and be able to find this video. So we had Dan, who's one of our Legal Funnel students right now, and his website, he gave me his website and he wanted me to take a look. So let's take a look to see how his SEO is. All right, so these are the metrics. First of all, let's actually have something to apply to compare it to, so that at least we have kind of see whether it's something to compare it to. So I've been doing SEO for about 5-6 years. A 30 score is basically how good your domain is, the quality of your website, basically. So yours is 20, which is okay. It's like still a newbie, it's still fresh, and it looks like it is because you just started. The domain isn't that old. Your organic search traffic, that means how many visitors you get from SEO, is 50 a month. Mine, let's just say, for example, is 10K a month. 10,000 visitors a month. You don't do any paid search ads. And then backlinks, this is what SEO companies do. They build out backlinks for you. This is how you're able to get there's two components of SEO. One is good content, and second part is backlinks. Backlinks that basically is links that on other websites that point back to your own website. And the more of those you have, then the more shows to Google that you have a legit website. So you have 2,000. I have 18,000. By the way, this is my SEO. And the important part is this graph right here. So yours shot up for whatever reason, and then now it's like pretty settled, and it's insignificant. And so that's what I'm looking at. And then the other thing too is it shows your top organic keywords right here. So what I do, you click on view details, and I'll pull out this report for you. This is I'll export this list of keywords. And the way to kind of take advantage of this, then, is, let me first export it, so now I can give it to you, is you want to 80-20 all the keywords that you're ranking for. So what I would do, I would go look at all the ones that I'm currently in the top 10, and I rank it by the highest volume. Okay, so let's take a look. So these are your best chances of being able to double down, triple down, and make the pages much better and build more backlinks to make your SEO work more. So how long can you be on workers' comp? How much does workers' comp pay in California? These are like good question. Workers' comp compensation benefits in California. So these particular pages that you have on this topic, what I would do is I would go make these pages the best pages that I could ever write, make it more comprehensive, add pictures, add videos to make it the best article that Google has that answers this question: how much do workers' compensation benefits in California pay? Okay, and you do that to your top pages, the ones that you have a chance at being number one on Google, that have the most volume. Volume is just how many times it gets searched per month. Okay, that way you have the most potential. That's how you're able to double down, apply the 80-20 principle to SEO, and be able to kind of double, triple down on your best performing and best chance keywords, basically. Okay. Overall, if you are having an SEO company do this right now, it doesn't seem like they're doing a good job, honestly. I would kind of expect more. If you're doing it yourself, it's okay. Just make sure to do a lot of keyword research, go triple down on your existing content and make those better. Then that's the way to do it. Okay. I hope that was helpful, Dan. And I'm gonna give you this report. So for the most of you guys, I would say stay away from SEO. Just save that money. If you are gonna hire an SEO company, instead take that money and put it into Google Ads or Facebook Ads and other paid sources to be able to get a more direct ROI on the money you spent to get clients for your law firm. All right. I'll be talk to you guys soon.